Hi, welcome. Today we're going to look at the differences between an open invoice and a closed invoice. First, go to the Invoices section where you can see the history of recent invoices. In the Status column, you'll find two main states, paid and sent. Invoices marked as paid are those that have already been recorded as paid. By clicking on Actions, you can send a thank you message to the client. Invoices with the sent status are those that have already been sent but have not yet been marked as paid. In this case, when you click on Actions, you can select Record Payment to register the payment. Once the payment is recorded, you can also send the corresponding thank you message. This way, you can clearly identify which invoices are still open and which ones are already closed within Access Pro. And with this, you now know how to identify and manage open and closed invoices in Access Pro. Keep your billing under control, record payments on time, and improve your relationship with clients by sending thank you messages. See you in the next tutorial.